Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell right here. So from the title of this video, you will know we're talking about this dress, guys. This is a party guest dress. I know, guys, we're in the middle of a pandemic, yes, but people are still having that intimate kind of party. Don't waste any time, let's talk about this dress. So guys, I was able to achieve this particular design using the flounce technique. Okay, so the flounce itself, working with the technique using the flounce, I had to calculate how much of the flare do I want, do I need. You have to calculate that. I will try and create a video on how to calculate that. Then also, how do I want it to, how do I want it to look is one. Then also, am I going to add folds to the flounce? So you have to put all that into consideration. So guys, as you can see here, I folded this area. I also folded this area before descending it to the back. Yes guys, I started this design from here, the midpoint of the sleeve, all the way down. And I stitched it, but I'm going to flip this dress inside out so you guys can see that I stitched it, but the stitch is not showing on the lining. So it's a different technique in stitching this. Fabric itself came with some stones on it, so I had to remove those silver stones because my client specifically said she doesn't want any silver stones on it. She just wants it plain, so that way she'll be able to match it up with any accessory, silver, gold on it. So she can also do monotone if she wishes to do that. Yeah guys, so I'm going to bring the camera closer so you guys will see what the inside looks like. Then on this side, I added tulle because it's like a sweetheart neckline going down towards the bust area. So I had to add tulle to this place so it will be the same kind of color with her skin. So you think you're looking at her skin, but it's a tulle that is actually there, matching color with her skin. So this is what it looks like. I created 5 layers of this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending, folding. There's a folding here. I would bring the camera closer so you guys can see the fold, and that is that about it. Then also, I had to, first of all, use my UHU glue to gum this first, then allowed it to dry, then also hand stitching it with my invisible thread. If you want to see how I stitch with my invisible thread, please guys, I will leave the link down below. Go and watch one of my videos where I was using where I used my UHU glue and I hand stitched, so you will know how it works. So guys, I also use my UHU glue to add more pearls to this lace dress. So guys, that's that about this video. If you love this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share this video. See you soon guys. I will try and be dropping videos every week.